This 5-minute solution will show you how to link TikTok account to Facebook page. Follow these easy steps to link your TikTok to Facebook page. Go ahead and launch your Facebook app. And now we need to switch to our Facebook page. So simply switch to your Facebook page. And now open your Facebook page profile. Once you are in your page profile, tap on Edit. Here scroll down and tap on Edit your About info. And here tap on this website link or URL. And here you will get Add social link option. Tap on it and tap on this drop down, and here select TikTok. Now all you have to need, just enter here your TikTok account name or username. And click on Add social link. Click on Save. And as you can see, I've successfully linked my TikTok account to Facebook page. And now, whenever someone tap on this TikTok profile, they will directly jump into my TikTok profile page. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.